Welcome to J&J's test video of SGTY233 86 Supra, manual, non-turbo, white on blue, 88,000 miles, runs really nice. We'll take it for a drive. Everything works, the air works, all that jazz. So we'll give you a walk around. Hit in the back there, front bumper's kind of messed up, the fender, all that jazz, the hood. Little valve cover oil leak. Still has some compression. Not too bad. Alright, we'll take her for a drive. Alright, windows work. Power seats work. We got window switches work, the auto climate control is working, radio works.
Well, grade school ain't.
Okay, what else? Cluster, all the gauges, cold and oil pressure. Let's move the seat forward and get better pedals. These things actually are made for a pretty long-legged person. You do a wet pavement burnout. Ah, no balls. These poor little things. Alright. The 80s were a sad time. Transmission shifts smooth. Steering works nice. Pretty good. Holds good oil pressure. There's your 88,000 miles. Looks like a bad car at all. Okay. Another couple of them down there waiting. That is that for SGTY233. There's reverse. Oh, she still runs. Battery's all charged up. And I'll show you that it's a limited slip differential. Those are little burnout marks. So there you go. As always, thank you for watching. Have your pets spayed and neutered.